It's a marvelous night for a moon dance, stars up above in your eyes. It's a fabulous night to make romance beneath the cover of October skies. The leaves on the trees are falling to the sound of the breezes that blow, and I'm trying to please to the calling of your heartstrings that melt soft and low. You know that the night is magic, it always does. Whispers and hush, and you know my moonlight seemed to shine your blush. Can I just have one more moon dance with you, my love? Can I just make me some more romance with you, my love?
Are you ready for the football season? Yeah.
I wanna make love with you tonight. I can't wait until the morning has come, and I know that the time is just right, and straight into my arms you will run. And when you come, my heart will be waiting to make sure that you're never alone. There and then all my dreams will come true, dear. There and then I will make you my own. Every time I touch you, you just tremble inside. And I know how much you want me there. I can't hide. Can I just have one more moon dance with you, my love? I cannot just make me some more romance with you.
A lot of really nice
Marvelous night for a moon dance, the stars up above in your eyes. And it's a fantabulous night to make a little romance beneath the cover of October skies. All those leaves on
the store running again in October for Commodores. I'm running against them.
And I'm trying.
Big thank you for another wonderful Commodores dinner.
Yes.
The co-Commodores, Bob and Sue Balekowitz.
Woohoo!
And Lisa and Scott Zane.
Yeah.
There you go.
By the way, it's here all the time.
Yeah.